Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's privacy tips, we're looking at something most Android users have no idea about. Most people think they know every single app on their phone, but there's one quietly running in the background that you've probably never noticed. It's called Android System Key Verifier. And unless you've been digging deep into your settings, you've likely never seen it. So what exactly does it do? And more importantly, should you uninstall it? Let's find out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more privacy and tech tips. Now let's get started. This hidden app is tied directly to RCS messaging. RCS is Google's modern version of SMS. Unlike the normal SMS or MMS app, which only sends basic text messages and low-quality pictures, RCS works more like WhatsApp or iMessage. It lets you send high-quality photos and videos, see when someone is typing, get read receipts, and chat using mobile data or Wi-Fi instead of your SMS balance. Every time you send an RCS message, this hidden app verifies the encryption keys on both ends to make sure nobody tampered with the conversation. Think of it like a digital lock inspector, double-checking that your secure chat is actually secure. Even though this app improves message security, many privacy-conscious users still choose to remove it. One reason is that Google added it silently, without clearly asking for consent. Another concern is its wide permission called Query All Packages. This allows it to see a complete list of every app installed on your phone. Now, it's not reading your messages or logging into your accounts, but simply knowing which apps you use can reveal a lot about your life. For example, banking apps hint at your finances, shopping apps show your buying habits, health apps reveal lifestyle or medical details, and social media paints a full picture of your digital world. For many people, that's already too much access for an app they never asked for. On top of that, if you don't use RCS at all, the app is just sitting in the background, running checks you never requested. And lastly, there's the trust factor. Hidden apps that you didn't knowingly install naturally feel like a red flag. Even if the purpose is to improve security, the lack of transparency makes people uncomfortable. If you decide you don't want it, here's how to uninstall. Open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and go to Help and Feedback, then type Delete in the search box. Select Delete Apps on your device, and then tap the link that takes you to Application Settings. In the search bar, type Android System Key Verifier and open it. Before uninstalling, tap on Permissions, then the three-dot menu at the top right, and select All Permissions. Here you'll see it has access to Query All Packages, as I mentioned earlier, along with Read Google Service Configuration. Once you've reviewed that, simply go back, tap Uninstall, and confirm. So that's the truth about Android System Key Verifier. It isn't malware, it's mainly there to secure RCS messages. But the way it was silently added, along with the level of access it has, is enough to make privacy-conscious users question it. Because in the end, privacy isn't just about what's being collected. It's about choice and control over your own phone. If you're new here, hit subscribe for more privacy and tech tips, drop a like, and share this video with anyone you think should see it. See you in the next one.